Half a teaspoon vanilla extract. Ingredients: 2 ripe bananas, sliced and frozen. 1 cup frozen berries of your choice. Half cup Greek yogurt. 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup. Instructions: in a blender or food processor, blend the frozen bananas until they are smooth and creamy. Add the frozen berries, Greek yogurt, honey/maple syrup, and vanilla extract to the blender/food processor and blend until everything is well combined and smooth. Transfer the mixture to a container and freeze for at least 2 hours, or until the ice cream is firm. Scoop and enjoy. This recipe is a great way to enjoy a sweet treat without added sugar or artificial flavors. The bananas add natural sweetness and creaminess, while the berries provide antioxidants and fiber. The Greek yogurt adds protein and a creamy texture, and the honey/maple syrup adds just the right amount of sweetness.